the time when we had our open scene? Listen, ready? Now, remember the time we had our first session, right? Most of you created objects which is huge, beautiful, and some of you did not actually group them up together. And what happened? It becomes separate images or separate objects. Later on you need to delete. But anyway, your objects are no longer there. It's inside your briefcase. Later we'll tell you how to delete it back. But later on, please remember or take note. Okay, whatever you create, remember you need to take ownership of it. You don't create and you leave it there. It's going to be like a litter, you know. And every time people create an object and move away, you accumulate more and more and more. Okay? And then notice you start to lag. Remember that time we start to lag? Some of you create spaceship, right? You create your own island on top of the island, right? I don't know, but please don't do that, okay? We already tried to restrict the size of the object they can create. So please today, I don't think you have enough time to play around. So please do things that I ask you to do first. If you got time, you can fly down to the water or to the sea and create the object. I don't know whether we still have sea or not, because I wanted to remove the sea. So you only have complete land, because most of you get lost under the sea, right? So we try to remove that problems. So for today, okay, we're going to start off with the Sketch.io first. Remember the Sketch tool is a very user-friendly interface. It creates very nice strokes when you draw. So we're going to start off with that first. So for now, right, what I want to do is log into your computer. Okay, I hope all your window passwords are working. If you then all you need to do just there's two options, new and open. Just click new, and then just leave the width and the height of the pixels as it is, and just click create. And you should have a blank canvas. Okay, everybody should have a blank canvas. Okay, and then we shall start now. Everybody ready? All have a blank canvas? Please create a blank canvas. Who still have not? I still see a lot of things on the canvas. Please clear your canvas. Get ready. Okay. Please clear your canvas. Clear your canvas. We're going to start now. Okay. Good. All have a clear canvas. Okay. The first thing you need to do is this. Okay. Listen ah. The first one is basically your hand. Remember the exercise we did during the first 2 weeks. Okay. The same thing. Choose a gesture. Okay, you can create any gesture you want on your hand. Okay, and I want you to look at your hand and use the mouse and draw. This time around, it's not blind contour. You can look at it and refer and you draw. Okay, you have 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Okay. All look at me. Okay, now next, what I want to do is this. Okay, very simple. I want to save your file. Very simple. Look at the toolbar or toolbox. Don't touch your mouse and look at what on the table. Click on the floppy disk. Okay. Once you click on the floppy disk, you will see this. Okay. So you look here. Once you click on the floppy disk, you will see this. Download, print, and share. You click on download. Okay. You will see these options. Leave this option on and just click download. Okay. And then once you click download, you will go to your download box. Okay. Now where to find this download box is here. Okay. Let's look at the folder. Just click on the folder. Okay, it's in the downloads area. Now, for your account, right, you don't have this privilege like me, where I can store accounts in the computer. What you need to do, you go to your downloads folder, right? You need to right click, okay, and then just cut it and put it into your data D. Remember the data D that you have? Remember your computer, go to my computer, data D, okay, create a folder under your name and class, and then put it inside. Okay? Okay, you may start now. Try exporting this image. This time around, it's a little bit tougher. I'm going to give you more time, to be fair, because it's a little bit complex, this one. So, what you need to do is do a fast sketch of the window beside you. Okay? You only have 5 minutes. Look at your friends carefully. Okay? And you draw your friend. Portrait. No, you look at your friend. I want you to look at your friend. Okay? You got 10 minutes. I'll give you 10 minutes. Your time starts now. Hands off the mouse and then just look at me. Ready? Good. This one, the hand is very easy actually. Right? But even though it's so easy, right, we still have a lot of things that we did not observe carefully, especially at your hands. Now remember, drawing is always about what? Observation. It's not much about realistic, how realistic it should be, but basically what you see and you draw whatever you see there. Remember, it need not be realistic. Okay? I give you a longer time, I give you about 10 minutes, which is very long actually. Normally I'll do with my class for 5 minutes. Your one, I give you a special discount, 10 minutes. And yet, there are certain characteristics that you still haven't picked up on your friend's face or the features. Now remember, when you identify or observe unique features on your online object, for instance, automatically your image that you draw, even though it's not realistic, it will look somewhat rather like the object that you're trying to draw. So remember, always look out for key features or characteristics. Clear so far? Now, here comes the tough part. The tough part. I don't know how you're going to do this, no? I don't know how many of you have a mirror here. I don't know how many of you have a phone here. But what I want to do is basically to draw your own self-portrait. Okay, listen, Okay, wait. Look at me. Okay, look at me, Now, some of you can, because you look at yourself in the mirror so long, for almost 13 years or close to 14 years, you've been looking at yourself in the mirror, and you should identify or somehow relate yourself to an iconic feature of yourself. I don't know what it is. Okay? So, I leave it to you to do this task. Listen, wait. One, you can either take a photo of yourself. Second, you might want to go to your Facebook account and look for your own photo. I don't know. Or number 3, just draw from your memory. Okay? If you want to refer to your phone, you may do so. Okay, wait, listen. Now, I just want one thing from you. Listen, Oh, auntie, very also. Listen, Remember, I'm not asking for a realistic drawing. Again, I want to remind you that I want you to identify an iconic feature of yourself. Iconic. It's so iconic that no one else has. Like for me, right? You know what's my iconic feature? Not my face, but my stomach. Okay, but I'm asking you to do self-portrait. But for me, right, I have this mole here or on my eye. I don't know. I leave it to you. Okay? If you look at caricature, right? Normally, what they do is actually it's not realistic at all. The image that they draw, but they identify a few key features of the person they are drawing, and they emphasize on that, no? So they just look at the, let's for example, like the nose, my nose very big, right? Or my cheek very big, right? They'll emphasize on my cheek and draw it big. Emphasize that, no? And then whatever they just add a little bit here and there. And somewhere automatically when we look at the image, it remind us of that person. Okay? I want you to do that. Identify 1 or 2 iconic feature of your face, and I want to draw it in there. Draw your portrait. Okay, so far? Ready? So this time around, I shall not be cruel. I'll give you a little bit longer. I'm going to give you 15 minutes. Okay? 15 minutes. Refer to whatever resources you need to do, and then your time starts now.